The average home improvement company is in business just over 5 years. For us to be here 73 plus years, that's pretty remarkable. My grandmother started NEWPRO in 1945. My dad carried it on in the late 70s and early 80s, and now I'm hopefully making them proud.
When I first started here at NEWPRO, we were a window and door company. We are now roofing, siding, bath, windows, doors. That gives us such a great opportunity to offer all kinds of solutions to homeowners all over New England.
New England is home. You know it if you're from here. Everything we do here at the end of the day is about serving the people in New England.
It's a really exciting time to be in the home improvement industry in New England, and it's nice to have the confidence to know that the company that I'm working for does a really top-notch job. The quality of the products that we're putting in people's homes and also the quality of our workmanship, we're making sure that people have an A+ experience here at NEWPRO.
NEWPRO is an amazing place to be. It offers you freedom, it offers you potential to make a lot of money while helping homeowners. You can't beat it.
The future's bright. We have a great team around us and we're growing rapidly. We have over 120 employees, and obviously we're trying to add key people and promote within.
I started back in 2001 with NEWPRO. Didn't have any sales career, didn't have any background in home improvement. They gave me all the tools to succeed, all the training, all the support that you could ever ask for.
I got into the management role because I really liked seeing salespeople earn incomes that they never did before and just take their professional and personal life to the next level.
I've been in sales for about 15 years total. I've never been treated like this by any company, with the amount of respect, the rewards, or the recognition.
The company stands for value, integrity, tradition. We take care of our customers. More importantly, the company takes care of their employees.
When I first started here, I felt like I was welcomed to a family. I found my home here at NEWPRO.